Hi. I don't know. We're going to be playing this game.
How do you turn it on where it can see?
I don't want to turn on the face cam because I'm fat.
Yeah.
Yes, I am. We playing the game now. I'm going to pause it until we join. Okay, I'm in the game. Okay, I don't like what people are saying, so I'm going to turn that off. But I'm eating Skittles, and my sister is eating Cheetos. She doesn't like to chew with her mouth closed. So I'm sorry if you hear that.
What is going?
Shut up, Madeline.
Also, this is a touch screen.
Okay, I don't think they care.
See, look.
I don't want to walk.
Okay, run. Can you hand me some?
Ah!
Hey! I'm getting one.
You guys can't fight over the Cheetos. You know they're just Cheetos. Boy, I'm allowed to have some Skittles.
Can I put them back? Can they see you right now, or can they just see that? The game.
No, they can't see me at all, even when I do this.
Well, why don't you not turn on the face cam?
Ha! Noobs!
Turn on the face cam!
No.
Come on. Hey, Kylie, you know the time when you called yourself fat?
I am.
And guess what? You showed your face on camera.
Yeah, but I don't really care. I got time and I care now. Especially since I'm gonna be getting pimples soon. So my face looks very ugly right now.
Kylie,
What?
who cares what other people say about your face, Kylie?
Who cares about your butthole?
Noob.
Oh my gosh, guys, am I cute or no?
You are pressed, okay? I don't know what to do.
Do,
Come on, just one,
do,
just one, 2 minutes,
No.
2 seconds.
Nope. Fine, I'll do it for 0 seconds.
No, that's just it.
Holy crap. Whoops, wrong way.
Could you put it on your phone?
No. Black nails, ears, yes.
Oh my god! What?
Bam.
Ha! Noobs!
Just kidding. I'm not that mean. Time to go to the photo show. I'm so weird.
Hey, no. Hey, guess what?
What?
I pooped and it steamed. Ew.
You don't have to say that on camera. Madeline, you're so stupid.
If I'm stupid, you're stupid.
I'm fat. Just kidding. I'm fat.
Ha!
Noobs! You guys are skinny.
I'm fat.
Woo! Chloe, you're not fat.
I'm fat.
You're not fat.
Yes, I am.
I'm
What
fat.
else they say?
Me, Mommy, and you and Boogie are fat. And her.
Who said that?
Are you talking to us?
Yeah.
Oh!
Are you back?
We're just saying that to ourselves.
Yeah, because we feel like it.
I'm fat.
Shut up.
I'm a fat butthole.
You know we're still recording.
Yeah.
Stop saying, Madeline, stop.
I'm fat.
Stop.
What?
Hey, noobs. Just kidding. I can walk on water. See?
That's jumping on water.
No, walking.
Walking.
You see my legs moving?
Walk. You're jumping and walking, Kylie.
That means jump.
Hey.
You mean skipping?
Yes, skipping.
Oh, hi, annoying person.
He really is.
They can't hear you. You know that's not where the speaker is, right?
Where's the speaker?
No, it's not.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Where are you, speaker?
Stop screaming.
Wait.
They can hear you really
Hello?
good.
Is it the speaker? Hey, Noob. Hey, Noob.
Okay, I'm the prettiest girl in the world.
Kelly, pause the video. We're only...
Shut up.
I wasn't actually going to say when I was born.
My video will get demonetized if you keep saying that.
I was born in butt cheek world.
That's disgusting, and I will still get demonetized for that.
Oh, shoot. I just said that.
Your mama. No, those aren't mine.
Kelly, your mom is my mom. You know
And
that.
Chloe's mom is, I don't
Our
know.
auntie.
No, Amber's our auntie.
Hey, we can have 2. Oh, no, we already have 3.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Aunt Candy.
Aunt Candy.
Yeah, Aunt Candy.
Is it like she loves candy?
No, her name is Candy.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'm gonna slide down backwards. I think one day I'm gonna do a role play, but I'm not gonna talk. Holy crap! I have a freaking. These people on Roblox think I am grown, but I am not. I've been recording for 6
Don't do this, kids.
Do what? Stop chewing with your mouth open. You're like.
That's exactly what she just said. Don't chew with your mouth open.
I want to play a different game, but I also don't want to play a different game, so I'm confused.
What'd you say?
What'd you say? This is not my life. This is me every day, bro. Okay.
Every day, bro.
Shut up. Okay.
Every day, bro.
Goodbye. I will see you again.
There was a